Hi. Somebody just recently commented on one of my TikTok videos and said that they don't know how to monetize TikTok. That's what my video was about, was monetizing TikTok or YouTube. Okay? And honestly, I think if a lot of people feel the same way. So in this video, I'm going to share the simplest ways you can start monetizing TikTok, even if you don't have a huge following. Okay? I'll show you the system that I use that works on a budget. Now, when I first got into TikTok, I thought the only way to make money was by going viral or getting brand deals. But here's the truth. You don't need 1 million followers to make money here. What you do need is a way to turn your views that you're already getting into income. And that's where most people get stuck. Don't you agree? There's a few different ways to monetize TikTok. You can use the Creator Fund. That usually pays pennies. You can land sponsorships, but that takes time and big numbers. And I think they've got a TikTok shop now that if you can figure that out, you can do that. But my favorite way is to use affiliate marketing and a simple funnel that captures leads. Okay? That means instead of hoping for a brand deal, you're building your own list of people who are interested in what you share. From there, you can recommend products, tools, or even your own services. And that can pay you over and over again. And the best part is you don't have to spend thousands of dollars to set this up. I built a budget-friendly funnel that costs just $10 to get started. And it includes multiple income streams. That way, as you grow your audience, your funnel can actually start paying for itself. So if you've been wondering how to actually monetize TikTok without waiting on algorithms or brand deals, this is it. I'll leave a link below where you can check out the exact system that I use. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help you out. And please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share with anyone who's struggling to earn on TikTok. I so appreciate that, and I appreciate you. God bless, and take care.